Hey, Kent, good morning.
Good morning, Susan.
This is my nephew, Tommy. This is Mr. Jones. He teaches English.
Hey, you're Tommy. Nice to meet you.
Good morning, Mr. Jones. Can you do my friend?
Tommy, you should say, can you be my friend, Mr. Jones?
Oh, sorry. Can you be my friend, Mr. Jones?
Of course.
Here's my new email address. All my friends have my new email address.
Thanks, Tommy. See you later.
Bye. Bye.
Well, Tommy's a smart boy, but he's a bit clumsy when speaking and writing English.
Why is that?
Well, he thinks in Chinese and changes it word by word into English.
No wonder his English sounded a bit odd. It's like Chinese English.
I know some other pupils who are speaking Chinese English all the time.
I guess it's time I gave them some help. See you later.
See you.
Have a look at the e-board. Can you be my friend? Use the verb be in these sentences.
Can you be my friend, Mr. Jones?
Of course.
I want to be a teacher.
Remember, learn the exact way of saying things in English. Check it out. Use do in these sentences. Do your homework. What are you doing in the library?
I am reading.
Mind you, you have to actually do something when you say do.
Oh my goodness! Where's my homework? Excuse me, can I please borrow the phone?
Okay.
Thanks.
Hello? Tommy? Oh, you left your homework in your room. It's a short piece of writing called My Room. Okay, I can go and find it and fax it to your school. You go get it later. Bye.
This is my room. I have the room all to myself. Come in and you will see. Watch out! Do not step on the grass and flowers. Come over here. There have a bed by the window. There have a table near it. Be careful. There have snakes around. There have many other living things too. My room is no ordinary room. It's an exciting place to stay.
Interesting. But he should be more careful with the use of the word there. And he must tidy up this place. Let's see.
I think this is for you, Tommy.
Ah, yes, Mr. Jones.
It's an interesting piece of writing.
Really?
It is. And if you can use the word there correctly, it'll be perfect.
You mean there?
When you want to say something is in a place, don't use there have. Start a sentence with there is or there are.
Should I say there is a bed in my room?
Yes. Or you could say there are 2 beds in my room.
All right.
If you want to use the word have, you can say I have a room. I have my own bed. We wouldn't say
There have a room. It's not right.
forget about the way of saying things in Chinese when you write or speak in English.
I'll try, but how?
Read more, Tommy. Here's one more thing. Is there really a table in your room?
Yes, a table.
Not a desk.
What's the difference?
Get a picture dictionary. Find out the difference yourself. Learn the exact meaning of a word, Tommy.
Okay.
Hey, take a look at the e-board. Get some tips on learning better English.
I will. Oh, I see now. A desk is usually with a drawer. A table is usually with 4 legs. The one in my room is a desk.
Welcome back. Look, what's in your cup?
There is a spider in my cup.
What do you have in your room?
I have a desk in my room. This is my room. I have the room all to myself. Come in and you will see. Watch out! Do not step on the grass and flowers. There is a bed by the window. There is a desk near it. Be careful. There are snakes around. There are many other living things too. My room is no ordinary room. It is an exciting place to stay. Hey, Tommy. Hi, Bob. Come in. Okay.
Would you like to have some fun on Saturday?
Why not?
Let's ask Mr. Jones too.
Good idea. I'll ask my Aunt Susan too. She and Mr. Jones are good friends.
What do you think we should do on Saturday?
Dear Mr. Jones, would you like to go out to have some fun on Saturday? There are many things Bob and I and my Aunt Susan want to do. Let's go sing songs. Let's go and eat our meals. Let's go catching fish. Let's go to shops to buy things. What do you think? Let us know. We want to be your friends. Friends, Bob and Tommy.
Dear Tommy and Bob, let's meet at 10 a.m. this Saturday at school. Remember to tell your parents about your plans. Hey, no more Chinese English, please. Look at this bad example. Let's sing songs. In English, we say, let's sing. The word song is not necessary. Let's sing. Can you correct this one? Let's go and eat our meals. Let's go out to eat. This is correct. Here's a wrong sentence. Let's go catching fish. It's better to say, let's go fishing. This is simple and clear English. Let's go to shops to buy things. To say it in good and simple English, just say, let's go shopping. Hi Tommy. Hi Bob. Hi Susan.
Morning, Mr. Jones.
Hi, Kent.
What's our plan today?
Let's go fishing first. Then let's go out to eat.
Then let's go shopping.
Sounds great. Hey, did you learn something from the e-board?
Yes, we've learned some clear and simple English.
All right then. Let's have a quiz on our way to Sai Kung.
Okay, we're ready.
What do you call this in English?
In Chinese, it's red, green lights.
No. In English, it's traffic lights.
Well done. Check the traffic lights before crossing the road.
Oh my goodness, it is raining.
The rain is big.
Come on, never use big to describe rain.
In English, we say the rain is heavy.
Learn to use the right word. Got it.
So you can say, bring a big umbrella in heavy rain.
Well done, Tommy.
Thanks.
Try harder, Bob. Use a dictionary with pictures and explanations in clear and simple English.
Okay.
Time for fun.
Yeah!